What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Check out this Accord. You think it's silver, right? Well, it's not, because this has got a wrap on the other side, which we're about to go to. And this is the Accord you guys actually wanted to see more, so I'm getting this for you guys right now. I literally drove about 5 hours to get here to meet all my subscribers in New York City. If you're in New York City, make sure to DM me at redlinemods.official, and I'll put their Instagram, the owner of this Accord, in the description as well. And he's got a TikTok, and also the guy who wrapped it for him right here. If you guys want a nice discount on the wrap, I'm gonna put his IG in the description as well. He'll do the wrapping in New York. And this is sick. He's got that silver and black wrap right there. And if you guys want to get into it, it's a duckbill spoiler, chrome delete on the H emblem. He's got this pre-cut vinyl over here, not the vinyl, sorry, it's smoked out. They look like 35% tints pre-cut. And T10 diffuser, of course, most popular, most aggressive one right now in the market. And going down to the wheels right here in the bottom, these are aggressive. I love these wheels. Check this out. You might see other Accords in the back. That's because I'm making a big event here. A lot of people are coming through. I support them to support me. I really appreciate that. And he's got the Aeroflow Dynamics side skirts right here. Some lady actually hit him last night. See that? Every time I hear something freaking, they be like, the lady hit me. So guys, be careful out there. Please drive safe. Stop texting and driving. This would have been done if she wasn't doing something, I would say. So yeah, these wheels in the front, I'll show you guys the other side. It's more cleaner, honestly. Let's get around it. He's got the front windshield tinted 20%, looks like it, because I can still see a little bit of the white inside there. So right here, going in the back, he's got the 4-piece gloss black lip right here. Look at that wrap, clean, precise. Again, you want that discount on the wrap, you want to get yours wrapped, make sure you tell him RedLineMods, you know, through the video. Even show him the video, he will know. He'll give you a discount right away. I'll put his Instagram in the description below. And the owner of this Accord, he's going to be doing detailing starting in the spring. So if you guys down to do paint correction or like polishing and waxing, full detail of the car, just hit him up. And of course, because of me, you guys are going to be getting a discount. It's all about connection and networking, guys. This is the other side. So as I said, I'm going to show you guys the wheels. You guys want to see the wheels? That's how they look. Pretty aggressive, right? And this is side skirt. Pretty sharp. And it's funny, right? It looks like it's a black Accord from here, but when you go on the other side, it's literally silver metallic color. It's pretty awesome. Smash the like button if you like this one. Let me ask him his setup. Yo, Burhan, what do you have? Springs or coilovers? D2 springs. He's got D2 springs. It's the aggressive drop or the? Yeah. It's the aggressive drop, 2-inch drop. So if you get those and you do a 2-inch drop, those springs come in at 1.2, I believe, or a 0.8-inch drop, which closes the gap. But a 2-inch drop actually brings it all the way down up to here. It's an aggressive drop. So that's what you'll get. And what's your wheel setup? Do you know the wheel setup? Yeah.
They're the XXRs 559.
XXR 559.
They're 19 by 10 and a half. And I put 15 millimeters in the rear spacers.
They have spacers in the front, right?
No, not
no?
in the front, no.
Yeah, you don't have it. Nope. So you put 15 millimeters.
In the rear, yeah.
I see it. Yep, he's got 15 millimeter spacers in the rear. So this is how it will look. Go to side angle. See that? It's right here. Focus on it. There you go. And then the front. And there's no spacers in the front, so it kind of still flushes with it with the fenders, but it doesn't pop out like the rear ones. See that? Yep. Anything done interior? You got anything done interior?
I actually have custom ride seats, but I need the bracket to install them.
Okay, got you.
Yeah.
Sweet. We'll show it next time. No worries. Doing some work on the inside, honestly. Custom seats. And yeah, this is our Cord, guys. Any questions? Make sure you DM him at his IG.